It's always. Hello, everyone. Everyone. Ako lang naman manonood ng video na to. So, hello, you guys. I just got home. Yun na, pang ilang second retake ko na to kasi putik na yan. Hindi ako makarecord dun sa horror game. Parang choppy yung voice ko. So, I just got home kanina. Amen, touch me with emotion. Amen, touch me with a 20-foot pole. So, ayun. Kumanta siya. Ayun nga. I just got home. Tapos bukas yung my rest day. Actually, my rest day is actually every Friday. But my coworker suddenly, nakipag-exchange siya kasi may aasikasuhin daw siya for this Friday. At naisipan niya makipag-exchange sa akin. Kaya ayun. Ay yeah, yun. The heck? What am I going to do then? May prioritize siyang gagawin. So, uuwi daw siya sa kanila, sa bukid. Ewan, bukid siguro nila. But that's not my business. So, tomorrow is my beautiful rest day and I have an appointment. You guys know what appointment is that? I will get my tongue and belly pierced, bruh. This is it. This is the champ, bruh. Ang sasabi nito. Kaya yun. I'm so excited. Guys, I will let you know my experience. And, I don't know. Nagsisearch ako sa TikTok kung anong day 1 of my tongue getting pierced. Ganun na type. Shit type. Nilalagay kineme. Kaya yun, I've been watching that kind of, video sa TikTok lately. Kasi I wanna know what the experience, what their experience, what they've gone through, what the heck is my grammar, is that grammaring, so yeah. Yeah, ayun. Hehe. You guys, I'm so excited. What will happen to me? What will be my experience? Like, how will I rate those pain sa tongue at sa belly? Kasi I have, high pain tolerance, yeah. And, let's see. Tapos, tang, ano, ang laki ng tiyan ko, gago. Like, I'm so fucking full right now kasi I just ate, kumuha ako ng mango dun sa restaurant, dun sa pinagtatrabahuan ko. Kumuha ako ng mangga. They have freshly, like, ripe mangoes, ganun. Sarap. Tapos nilagyan ko ng cream for, we have dessert and I'm a counter girl. So, ginagawa ko yung mga beverage and desserts. Kaya, ayun, kumuha ako ng cup. Tapos, nag-slice ako ng mango. And then, nilagyan ko ng maraming cream. And, ayun, inuwi ko sa bahay. Hindi alam ng... Hindi nila alam. So, yeah, guys. Keep it a secret. Okay? Okay? Ayun. Keep it secret. O secret malamang kasi wala naman manonood dito. Kaya yun. Keep it secret, self. Pero actually, tangina sarap niya, gago. Like, fuck. But, ayoko na siya ulitin. Siguro, once a month. Over naman sa once a month. Depende. Kailan ko siya trip ulit. Ang ina. Parang ako buddy. Tapos, I'm so freaking, busy lately. Kasi, ayun nga, counter girl ako. So, I need to wake up, like, early as fuck. I need to wake up, every, 7. Actually, yung alarm ko is, naka-alarm siya ng 6. But, alam mo naman, pag nag-a-alarm, hindi talaga gigising ng exactly 6 a.m. Bitch, who would even do that type shit? So, yeah. Hanggang 7 yung alarm ko. 7 a.m. Alarm ko siya ng 6, tas nagigising ako ng 7. That's it. Tas minsan 7:30 pa, nale-late pa yun siya kasi may morning session ako sa CR, tang-inang yan. Natatae ako every time I woke up, bleh. Kaya yun. Tas may makeup, girl, it's so freaking makeup ko 1 hour, ligo ko 30 minutes, tas yung biyahe ko 1 hour, pukinang-inang yan. 'Di ba? That's my life. So, I can't stand this bullshit anymore. Yung yan daw sa trabaho, puro lang ko tawa, gago na yan. Minsan, like, ewan ko, hindi ko alam. I don't know. Tawa po, tawa or either tulog. Kasi every time na break time ko, natutulog lang ako. Tulog lang siya. Wala akong ginagawa. Like, mga 30 minutes, cellphone, tapos the rest tulog. Kasi pag 10 a.m. ako, I have break time 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. So, like, kunyari, 10 a.m. ako nag-in. Tapos yung, yung break ko niyan, exactly, 2 p.m. hanggang 4:30. Kaya, ayun, 2 a.m., 2 a.m., 2 p.m. sleepy, tapos pag 3 sleep, tapos nagigising lang ako ng, ano, hindi pa nagpo-4, tang-inang yan tulog. Or minsan, exactly 4, tulog ko mga 1 hour. Nagnanap lang ako, putik na nap yan. Andun ako sa, sa gilid na, na table, na parang temporary close summit. Ayan. Tapos lately din, I've been, eating less kasi I don't wanna get fat. I mean, I love my body but I don't wanna get fat. Kasi yung uniform ko po, kinang-ina. Alam mo ba yung size na binili ko? The fuck? Small, bitch. Who would even... Ay, yeah, but that's fine kasi challenge ako. You know, I love getting challenged. What? Tanginang grammar. Yeah. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam ba't ito yung nilalaro ko, max na yung ko dyan, pera, 10 million. Yung gagawin ka dito. Hindi kasi ako makarecord sa kabilang game. The fuck? What do you mean nag-choppy yung voice ko? Not my voice, bro, kasi I've been talking. I need to talk. You know, I'm a yapper. Hindi ako makayap dun sa trabaho. Gago, puro lang tawa. Tapos, sa work, feel ko ang dami kong kuya, ng kuya. Ang dami kong kuya, gagilik. They're so fucking crazy, bro. Like, they're all so insane. May kanya-kanya silang personality, pero lahat parehas kupal. Yan ang yan! Ayan. Wala, busy lang ako sa life this past my life because I've been touching grass, bruh. No, I love working. No, I mean like I love going out kasi it's almost like 2 years or what na hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay kasi nga I don't have a work and I didn't go to college. So, nakatambay lang ako sa bahay. Kaya ayan. I'm so happy that today, like, I got a job, like, last month, January. I'm so happy even though that was so freaking, like, the hellish month of my life. Kasi, what do you mean? Ang tagal matapos sa January, bruh. The fuck is that? Tapos, ayun. Eh, ayan, sobrang nakakapagod siya that time. But now, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with my life right now. Yeah. There's no, the faculty. Like, I'm just happy being me. Kasi, bibili ko mga gusto ko. Tapos, yeah, I'm saving money for, the college, maybe next year or this October. I don't know. Kasi, hindi daw ngayong I was about to resign. I know. I I'm planning to resign this June, around June when the class start kasi nga may connections ako dun sa sa dating school na pinapasukan ko for bartending and situ, and then they said na they will kukunin nila ako as scholar for 3-year course ng TESDA. Kaya ayun, I thought na magsa-start siya ng maaga, but I inquired last Friday when ng rest day ko, and then they said na ang mauuna daw is yung cruise ship. Cruise ship nila na cruise ship nila na course, but it's for I like handle nun is Chet. Yay, so wala siyang scholarship. Sayang, I want cruise ship din naman kasi I don't know, maybe the waves of my the waves you don't know saan ako dadali ng hangin. Maybe sa cruise ship? Yeah. Yeah, ita. Yeah, yes, that's how my life been doing. Yeah, I will let you guys know what will gonna happen to me tomorrow. And yep, bye.